Ben from Snowies here, folks. Today I've got with me the Oztent LED fan light.
Get it.
This little fan light here has got flood lighting, beam lighting, a fan, and it can give you some emergency charge for your phone. And this is a neat little innovation from Oztent that offers both air circulation in your tent and also some lighting options. It weighs a bit over 500 grams. It's about 20 centimeters in diameter and about 5.5 centimeters in depth here. It's got LEDs around the side, which I'll show you shortly, another light in the middle, and the fan inside. Now, the fan inside is a brushless motor, so it's a good quality fan, and it operates between about 1 watt and 4 watts between the 3 lamp settings. And then there's multiple modes in the lights, which draws between 1 watt and 2 watts as well. We'll start with the fan setting. So the two bottoms, actually, you know what? We'll do a run around of the features on the outside first, because there's a few hanging points here. So you've got this little point here that you can use to carry it if you like, or hang it from. And then on the opposite side, or at the back, you've got this fold out section here, which can be used to hang it directly upright like this. So you've got airflow coming directly down, or you can angle it if you like. And this actually separates. So if you've got a fixed loop on your tent, you can put this through like this and then still hang it on any fixed loop that you've got in your tent. So this is a really good option to hang in the middle of a large tent, turn the fan on, you've got airflow, and you've also got light coming into the tent as well. And on the bottom here is a little USB flap, rubber flap, that comes off, and you've got a micro USB charge point here to charge the device, and you've also got a regular USB out here, which you can give your phone a bit of emergency charge if you need. Don't rely on this to charge your phone completely, use it for emergency charge. Now, run time on this, they say, is between about 5 and 34 hours, I think. So it depends on what you use. If you're just using the LEDs, you're probably going to get a lot longer run life out of it. If you've got all the LEDs on and the fan on full, you're probably only going to get 5 hours of use out of it. So it depends on your settings, but that's the range at which it will run in. It charges on the USB. You do get included with the device the USB-C charging cable here, and it charges within about 6 hours. And light output on these, I'll show you how it works shortly. 70 lumens on low, 150 lumens on high for these guys here, and there's also a yellow light setting we'll show you as well, which is also 150 lumens, and there's a light in the middle here which gives you 70 lumens of output, which we'll show you shortly. There's 4 lights here. This is the battery charge indicator. When we turn it on, I'll put it in the shade and show you those shortly, but that tells you how much charge is in the battery. Now, to turn the fan on, I might actually put it down in the shade so you can see the green lights here. You hold down on this button here, there's a little fan symbol there. I hold down on that, and I don't know if you can see, but those 4 lights have lit up to indicate that there is full charge on the battery. Pressed it once, the fan's gone on. I press it again, the fan's gone up again, and the third setting. So it's quite quiet. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's certainly not a noisy fan. We press it once more and it goes back to low. To turn it off completely, we need to hold down on that button there. On this side, we've got the light setting. So we press it once, we hold down on it to turn it on. This goes onto our 70 lumen setting. We press it again, it brightens up to 150 lumens. We press it again, it goes to a yellow light, which is better for insects, so 150 lumen yellow light. We press it again, we go to a spotlight in the middle, so we can actually then use this here to carry it if we like, and use it as a spotlight at night. So that's a 70 lumen spotlight. And if we keep pressing this button, it just scrolls through all of those settings over and over until we hold it down and turn it off again. Now, the battery inside is a 3.7 milliamp, 3.7 volt, 6,000 milliamp hour battery. So not enough battery to completely charge a phone potentially, but certainly enough to give a good run life on this guy here. Look, this is it feels nicely well made too. It's certainly not heavy. It's nice and lightweight, but isn't made to feel lightweight. It's not creaky when I sort of push this in here, so it feels nice and durable. Plenty of hanging options and lots of different light options. I reckon this is a really good addition to any camp setup. The fan isn't as big as some camping fans out there, but it actually offers a really good amount of air movement for the amount of noise it puts out. So if you just want continual air movement inside your tent, that's certainly going to offer a bit more ventilation and reduce the stuffiness inside. So a great option for any camp setup, I reckon, because you can hang it up, put it anywhere. You can sit it flat on the table because this allows you just to sit it flat on the table as well. And you can even bend that down if you like and sit it on an angle. So lots of setup options. Check them out online at snowies.com.au where you find them at our lowest prices every day. But if you've got any questions on us, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for all of our latest and greatest information, or check out some other cool lighting or cooling products like these ones down here.